Alright, so we're not at a review table right now, but hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Eli. Today's video we have a package here. This is acoustic foam. I've been wanting acoustic foam for a very long time now. A company was actually nice enough to actually sponsor today's video. So link in the description to buy acoustic foam. This is the 50 pack. It is condensed into this package to be able to fit in that package there. Hold on. So here it is. Looks really nice. It takes 24 hours, it says right here, 24 to 48 hours to fully restore to its acoustic foam form. So in 24 to 48 hours, I will come back and I will look at them more closely, and you'll be able to see more of this. So here you have a nice, really nice seal here. This is the 50 count. This is the black and red. So yeah, we're gonna come back in about 2 days and we're gonna show you what these look like. Alright, so I'm not sure if these are fully compressed, but here is what they look like. They're about an inch thick, and they're really nice high quality products here. They look really good. I'm gonna be so happy when I put these up. There's 25 blacks, 25 reds. The reds look really bright, really nice on camera. They are really bright and really nice in real life. And then the black ones are nice, rich, dark in real life. And then they're kind of black on camera, but they're really nice dark, which is really cool. I'm gonna see how sound absorbent these are right now. So yeah. Alright, so about 2 days, 3 days later, we put up foam panels, as you can see. We put like 15 here, we put 4 here, another 4 here, and then 6 right here. So 6 is right here for my reviewing table. I'll have my phone here, my lamp, or my lamp here, and then when I talk, it'll basically absorb the sound, and it'll sound better like a studio. And this number one looks really nice. It makes my room look really good, as you can see. Just got some 2 posters over there. That's probably not centered yet. One of them's different. And then I have those 2 diamonds. They're also, now that I look at it, one of them is higher than the other, but I'm not going to redo it because it's going to take way too long. But anyways, without damaging the walls, I use these little push pins here to hold them up. And then I also used some like adhesive strips, as you can see. Some of those strips. And then I just stick them on there. And yeah, but yeah, they got 10 times more fluffier. They look really nice. They feel good. I don't know, you're not really going to be touching them though, but they look really nice. They feel good. Of course, if you have a house and your landlord or whatever allows you to mount them, or however you want to do it, you can basically just put it on the wall and you can just paint over it if you want to take it off whenever you do. But this literally doesn't ruin the paint. It leaves a little small hole. That's it. You just cover it up with some other things. I don't know what it's called. But anyways, yeah. So this is basically a little glimpse of my room. I'm going to be doing a room tour in about a month, hopefully. I'm going to be getting more RGBs for my room, so I'm going to be doing that. I can't mount my TV because they don't obviously allow you to mount things. Push pins are okay because this is basically the same thing as a poster. No one's really going to care about a poster being hanged up. It's basically all. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, and of course do subscribe for more videos just like this. It makes a very big difference. It's not as echoey in here, especially since I'm in the corner. It will absorb the sound, and instead of bouncing back and forth, it'll just absorb it through one side, and then that's it, pretty much it. And then also the speakers, since they will be going out that way, they will be just hitting that wall with the foam panels, and they basically won't leak the sound from my room. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, and of course to subscribe. It only takes 5 seconds to do so. I'm going to try to get 500 subscribers before next month. hopefully by the beginning of March. So please subscribe, turn on post notifications. I have a big video coming very soon. So see you guys in the next one.